Hi YouTube, it's your girl Black Cajun, and today I'm doing chocolate covered strawberries. Uh, Before we get started, I just want to apologize. The strawberries that I use, they look a little old, but they're not. I accidentally had them in the refrigerator and had the temperature too high. The supplies you're going to need is some Crisco, some chocolate, strawberries, a Ziploc bag, a cup to melt the chocolate in, a styrofoam cup to mix the dye in, and then you'll need some little uh, things to decorate it with, like the little candy pearls or uh, little sprinkled sugar, colored sugar. So basically, what I'm going to do is put the chocolate, break the chocolate up, put it into the cup, add a very small amount of maybe a pea-sized amount of Crisco, and I'm going to microwave it for 10 seconds at a time. And I'm just going to microwave it, take it out the microwave, mix it up just to distribute the heat throughout the chocolate and put it back in. And I'll do that a good 4 to 5 times until the chocolate is the consistency like a cream, a thick cream where it's just flowing easily. That way I'll be able to get good coverage on the strawberry and it won't be too wet or won't be too hard to actually cover, too thick and hard to cover the actual strawberry. So as you can see, it's slowly but surely getting there. And then my microwave is kind of old, so it'll depend on your microwave and how strong the wattage I believe is. It's getting there just a little bit longer. So every microwave is different. So you just do it in 10-second increments just to make sure you don't overheat the chocolate, because if you overheat it, it's all over. You have to throw it all away and start all over again. With Mother's Day coming up, I just thought this would be an awesome tutorial. You know, really inexpensive, personalized gift that you can give to your mother, wife, husband. Um, I mean, I just love doing them, and I like doing different decorations on top of them. Okay, now this looks like a pretty good consistency. As you can see, it's kind of watery, but not too thin and not too thick. So I'm going to take some of the chocolate and put it into the styrofoam cup. That way I can color it. And you can color any color you want, but you would need to use a dye that's specifically designed for candies. And I believe they're called, Wilson has a good product called Candy Color. And it comes in really awesome colors. I think a box of four is like maybe $5 or something. And you can also add like different flavoring to it. Like I think it's called Lord Ann has a little drams of flavor. So if you want your chocolate to have a different flavor, you can just add some of that pineapple or coconut or whatever flavor you want to add to it. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I have a cold, so uh, my voice is horrible. So what you're gonna do is grab the strawberries. I always say the hair, but by the leaves. You never take the leaves off. You just pull them up and hold the strawberry by the leaves. And what you're gonna do is hold the cup till the chocolate is like on one side. That way you can easily dip your strawberry in, and you use the hairs again, the leaves to just turn the strawberry. The goal is to get as much of the strawberry covered without the icing touching the actual leaves. And then you're gonna rub the excess off the bottom of the strawberry. You just rub it off on the side of the cup. That way you don't have a pool of chocolate dripping around. Sometimes you'll see them and there's like a whole bunch of chocolate just pooled around the bottom of it. And also, before you do this, you would take like a vegetable oil, the spray, and spray whatever surface that you're going to be laying them on, so the chocolate won't get stuck on it. So I dipped this in the second one, and as you can see, I'm dragging. I shake, shake, shake to get all the excess off. Then I drag the bottom just so I won't have that ugly pool of chocolate at the bottom of my strawberries. And you just continue on with this process until you have totally covered all of your strawberries or have actually uh, ran out of chocolate. And in that instance, you'll just warm some more chocolate and keep it going. Like I said, these are awesome to give for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. You do not have to spend an arm and a leg to show your mother, wife, husband, cousin, anybody how much you appreciate them. You can do it yourself. You just continue until you're all out of strawberries. See how I'm twisting? Twist and twist. Just turn it around. Shake, 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 shake. Get all that excess chocolate off and drag. Simple. After you do maybe the first two or three, it will be like second nature to you. You won't have anything to worry about. You'll be so used to doing it. You'll get the rest of them done in no time at all. As the chocolate starts to cool, it'll be harder for you to start turning the strawberries in it. So you'll just pop it in the microwave for another couple minutes. As you can see, I have that colored sugar, like some kind of sugar sprinkle. I got it from Kroger, you get it from any grocery store, or craft store. And I'm just using some and just sprinkle it on. The chocolate dries really fast, so you have to be pretty quick with your dipping and your adding of the sugar or whatever decorations that you want to add to it. So now what I'm going to do is take the Ziploc bag and I'm going to use that as a piping bag. If you have piping bags, fine. If you don't, you do not have to go out and buy cake decorating piping bags. Use a Ziploc bag. Pour the excess. How I do it, I sit it inside of a styrofoam cup. Then I pour the excess white chocolate, and then I'll pour the one that I dyed, and then I'll just use my hands to mix it and kind of mend it together. There's the green that I mixed up. I'm just gonna mix it into the Ziploc bag with the excess white. You don't have to zip the top. All you have to do is just use your hands and mend it together. That's a mend, blend, blend it together till the color is uniform, and just squeeze it all to the bottom tip. See how I'm squeezing? Just make sure all of the chocolate is in that bottom tip of the bag. Just keep pushing it down till it's all out there. You don't want to waste any of your chocolate. So the next thing you're going to do is get some kitchen shears and cut the tip of it off. My kitchen shears, got them from, what is that, Dollar Tree. So they have seen better days. It's time for a new pair. But you just cut the tip off till you see the chocolate dripping out, and you're gonna start doing it on the board before you make your way up to the chocolate, and you just go back and forward, squeeze, gently squeezing, and just do back and forward motion over the chocolate and moving your hand in the direction that you want it to go. And voila, that is it. While the stripe decorations are still wet, you're gonna take different decoration. You can go back to the sugar, or you can use these little small decorative pearls that I bought from, I believe it's 99-cent only store. Uh, your dollar stores in your area will be a great place to purchase the supplies for your strawberries. You can't beat dollar decorations. And you just sprinkle it on, and it's only going to adhere to the part of the strawberry that's still wet. And if you put too much, you just kind of stuck with it because it dries fast. So I'm going to use some of the yellow, and I'm going to use some silver. And all of the decorations came from 99 cent only. I think that's the pink and blue logo with the white words, something like that. I don't remember. But here in Texas, they're all over. And here's the finished products. Not too perfect because I was going kind of fast, but you get the idea. As you can see, I don't have any pools of chocolate at the bottom. That's why I did the shaking and the dragging of the strawberries to make sure I don't have that nasty pool around the bottom of the strawberries. I wanted to take some of that yellow off, but like I said, it dries extremely fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Until next time, my name is Black Cajun, and I appreciate you guys tuning in today. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.